We're not going to use any real clip, so zero risk of copyright. Because in football niche, the biggest problem is copyright issues. I'll show you all the free tools along with the paid tools if you want better quality. Also, if you have a budget, you can get started by a pre-monetized YouTube account, so you can start earning from first video. Football is not a single niche. There are multiple sub-niches. For example, there are some type of content that you can get started with, or you can come up with something new. Let's create what if video. To get started, open ChatGPT and ask it to give you shorts ideas for what if football videos. If you're already a football fan, you probably have ideas in your head right now. Pick the idea that excites you the most, go back to ChatGPT, and ask it to write a full script for that video. Within seconds, you'll have a ready-to-use script. Now we need visuals. For that, use the same ChatGPT prompt specifically designed to generate both image prompts and animation prompts, scene by scene. This takes the guesswork out of prompting AI tools. For image generation, go to a tool called Flow. Create a new project, switch to image mode at the bottom, set the ratio to 9:16 for vertical shorts format, and select the model called Nano Banana Pro. This model uses 0 credits, meaning it's completely free. Paste your image prompt and generate the scene. Repeat this for every scene in your script. Now for video generation, you have 2 options depending on your budget. If you have free credits available, stay inside Flow, switch to video mode, drag your generated image as the first frame, and paste the animation prompt. Flow gives you 100 free credits when you sign up, and then 50 credits every day after that. The videos are generated using Google's Veo 3 model, which produces very high-quality results. If you want unlimited free video generation, here's how. First, download all your generated images one by one. Then open Meta AI, go to the Create section, switch to Video, upload your first image, paste the animation prompt, and hit Generate. You can do this for every scene with no credit limit. Honestly, for a free tool, the quality is more than good enough to grow a channel. Once all your video clips are ready, it's time to create the voiceover. Your script from ChatGPT will have headings and sections in it. Copy the script and ask ChatGPT to remove all the headings and reformat it as one clean paragraph. This makes it ready for text-to-speech. For the voiceover, go to a tool called Minimax and open the text-to-speech section. Paste your clean script and select a voice. A great option for this niche is the voice called Knowledge Pill. It sounds confident and engaging, which works well for football content.
What if Cristiano Ronaldo never left Manchester United in 2009? Instead of joining Real Madrid, he stays in England and enters his prime at United.
Generate and download the audio file. Now it's time to put everything together. Open any video editor. CapCut works perfectly and it's free. Import all your video clips and your audio file. Sync the clips to the voiceover. Make basic cuts where needed, and your video will start taking shape. Once the edit is done, generate captions directly inside CapCut. Pick a bold, eye-catching template, increase the font size, and position the captions in the center of the screen. This keeps viewers engaged and improves watch time. And that's it. Your AI-generated, copyright-free football short is ready to upload. One more thing. If you want to start earning from your very first video, you can look into purchasing a pre-monetized YouTube channel. These are accounts that already meet YouTube's partner program requirements. So you skip the waiting period entirely and start making money from day one.